Hi, I'm Drummer Martijn. Welcome to this video drum lesson. In this tutorial I will demonstrate an easy but fun to play exercise especially designed for young beginner drummers. But of course everybody can join in. So let's get to it. For this exercise you'll need a pair of drumsticks and obviously a drum kit. But even if you don't have sticks or a drum kit yet, you can still play along with this exercise. Just tap with your hands on the table or on your knees and tap with your feet on the floor. No problem at all. Okay, first our right hand. And we're gonna play on this big cymbal over here. This one is called the right cymbal. And we're going to hit it 8 times. So nice and easy, just play along with me. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, nice. Now let's go to our left hand. And our left hand will play on the snare drum. This is the snare drum and it's called the snare drum because it has snares or wires underneath. There we go, 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's go to our feet. First, our right foot on the bass drum or kick drum. That's this big drum on the floor over here. Again, 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And finally, our left foot on the hi-hat. The hi-hat are these 2 cymbals on top of each other. Just close it with your foot. Okay, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, great. Now, the actual exercise is to play all these limbs after each other, without stopping in one continuous tempo. So first our right hand on the right cymbal, 8 times, then 8 times with our left hand on the snare drum, then 8 times with our right foot on the bass drum, and finally 8 times with our left foot on the hi-hat. When we are finished with the hi-hat, we'll start right again with our right hand on the right cymbal. So we're gonna play a kind of loop and we're gonna repeat the whole exercise a couple of times. Okay, well, just follow my lead. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. Foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And repeat back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And start over again. Right hand. 2, 3, 4. A little faster. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, and repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes! Did you make it till the end? If not, feel free to rewind the video and just do the exercise again, no problem. But I'm going to take it to the next level. Let's make it a little bit more challenging, because now we've been playing everything 8 times. Let's check out what happens when we play everything only 4 times. So 4 times with my right hand on the right cymbal, 4 times with my left hand on the snare drum, 4 times with my right foot on the bass drum, and 4 times with my left foot on the hi-hat. Again, we're going to play it in a loop, so when I'm finished with my left foot, I will start again with my right hand. Okay, I'll count in and just play along. Everything 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to keep up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, great playing. Now let's go to the next level. Let's play everything only twice. So, 2 times on the right cymbal, 2 times on the snare drum, 2 times on the bass drum, and 2 times on the hi-hat. Don't forget, always first your hands and then your feet. Okay, well, try to keep up. Play along with me. I'll count into 4 and then we'll do everything twice and again with the loop, etc. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Whoa, 1, 2. That's pretty fast. 2, 1, 2. 2, 1, 2. Let's speed up. A little faster. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Whoa, that was pretty intense already. If it went too fast, don't you worry, just a matter of practice. For now, let's just go to the almost final exercise, and you may have guessed it already. Let's check out how it sounds if we play everything only once. So 1 hit on the right cymbal, 1 hit on the snare drum, 1 hit on the bass drum, and 1 hit on the hi-hat, and then start over again. Of course, this is going pretty fast now. So let's start slowly and let's see how fast we can get. Don't forget, first your hands and then your feet. Okay, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Right, left, right, left. 1, 1, 1. Little faster. Try to keep up. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And now let's go very fast. Congratulations, you've made it to the final exercise of this video tutorial. We're gonna combine all the previous exercises into one big coordination challenge. So are you up for that? Yeah, I guess you are. Don't you worry, no problem. So first we're gonna do everything 8 times. Then we're gonna do everything 4 times, then 2 times, and finally everything only 1 time. And when we're finished with playing everything once, we're gonna start all over again with everything 8 times. So it's gonna be a very big loop, and we're gonna repeat the full exercise a couple of times. So don't forget to count, don't forget to have fun, and just follow my lead. Are you ready? There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now everything 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Let's go to 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Only once. 1, 1, 1, 1. Back to 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1. Back to the top. 2, 3, 4. Little faster. To 4. 2, 1, and fast. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Well, that was all for now. I hope you've enjoyed this exercise. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you won't miss any new video. And I hope to see you again. So thanks for watching. I'm Martijn. Bye bye.